Hello, friends. Welcome to our monthly market update. So, we have just concluded the corporate India's result season, and it was a good season. If in fact we saw gross margins expansion across the sectors, and that also resulted in the profit margins, barring three sectors, which is IT, chemicals, and metals, where there was EBITDA margin reduction. But other than that, everything was quite healthy. And this has happened primarily because the Indian macro, or the India as an economy, is doing quite well. In fact, the last print for the GDP was 7.8%, which was higher than the estimates by most of the economists. And this uptrend in the earnings is actually leading to higher profitability and possibility of estimates in upgrade in the estimates for the corporate India. In fact, it is interesting to note that last year all the Nifty companies gave dividend, and which is not a very regular phenomena. Having said that, there is a debate that the markets have run up quite a lot, especially the mid and small cap category. People are worried after the recent runoff. But I think one need to look at from the overall valuations point of view. The valuations of small cap or mid cap are not very high. Uh, if you look at, they are very close to their long term averages. In fact, the mid caps, which have been doing quite well, has delivered the highest earnings CAGR in the recent times, and that's what has got reflected in the price action. So the point I'm trying to make is that yes, the prices have moved up, but that's a combination of the earnings doing quite well and some amount of re-rating, especially in the small cap. And that re-rating has happened because in the calendar year 22 we have seen some amount of de-ratings when the margins were under pressure. So I think overall, if you look at from that lens, market is quite stable, earnings are looking good. uh, Indian macros are looking good, and that should help in markets to sustain uh, going forward. So we continue to maintain our positive market outlook with our overweight positions in financials, uh, capital goods. Uh, we are underweight in IT and oil and gas, and I think we are over. We are equal weight in things like pharma. So we are also seeing some green shoots in sectors like chemicals and consumer durables, which we are closely analyzing. But as of now, we are maintaining equal to slightly underweight positions over there. With that, we are looking forward towards the quarterly earnings for the September ending quarter. And we will meet you again with the next month update. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.